Hi, Andrew here at Gateway Toyota. I'd like to show you another great vehicle in our pre-owned lineup. This is a 2017 Nissan Murano. It's the Platinum edition, so it's the absolutely fully loaded version. It is absolutely gorgeous in this beautiful pearl sort of white. Really cool LED daytime running lights. Of course, it's got the projector style headlights, fog lights on this one. Really gorgeous alloy wheels. You come around to the back here. Of course, it's got a power lift gate on this one here. Lots of storage in the back here for additional for all kinds of stuff that you can haul. Plus, the back seats fold flat, so you can even expand the storage area on this. Let me show you a few great features on the inside. So this one here has got tons of great features on it. It's got a panoramic sunroof on here. We got heated and cooled front seats. We've got heated back seats. A fantastic Bose sound system, navigation system on this one. You even have the bird's eye view and backup camera. Auto dimming rear view mirror with the home link system, push button start. It's got Bluetooth, it's got everything. It's absolutely fantastic. For more information about this great vehicle, check us out at gatewaytoyota.ca or give us a shout at 780-439-3939 or come down in person. We're at 2020 103rd A Street Southwest in Edmonton. For more information about our upcoming product that we've got coming in for pre-owned and new, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel at Gateway Toyota, and then hit the notification button as well. We hope to see you soon. Take care.